Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update here in Vietnam. Wow, it's been a really wild and wacky day. We're seeing that the dog coin, meme coins have been fighting it out. It's just been really crazy, guys. And we saw that Shiba Inu went as high as 88, and then I did say in the video this morning that it was going to go up to 88. It did hit 88, and then I said that it's going to come down, and it did. It came down almost like 19%. We're going to jump into that, but it's still up. It's still up. We saw that this morning when we woke up, Dogecoin was looking pretty sad. We're looking pretty sad and tired. So we're on about 23 cents in the house, and I did say that Dogecoin had seen the similar level back in October 18th. So I said, everyone, don't panic. And now we saw that Dogecoin now has shot up as high as 34 cents today. It's come down now. It's settling around about 30 cents. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 61,000, over 61,000. We're seeing that Ethereum is over 4,100 right now. So guys, what were you panicking for? I did tell you in the previous videos way back when, and you can take a look at that. I did say way back when, right here, that about a week ago I said that Dogecoin was primed and geared up to go over 1,500. It could go up 1,500%. And guys, don't discount the Doge. I did tell you, and remember, I know a lot of you, when I had my previous video this morning, yesterday, when I said, Dogecoin dead, I know a lot of you didn't watch it. A lot of you don't watch the videos today, and in there I categorically told you that October the 18th we saw Doge at 23 cents. What are you worrying about? And I told you that Doge would come back, and it did come back. And Shiba Inu is making millionaires. We're gonna absolutely, if you'd have bought Shiba Inu way back in like July, and you'd invested a small amount of money, you'd be like huge right now. It'd be huge, guys. So we're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna take a look at a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna take a look at the news. And it looks like this little flash crash that we had the other day, I told you it was all gonna wash out, and it's washing out, guys. So let's jump into the news. Let's jump into where Shiba Inu is going. Let's talk about where Doge is going, and let's talk about why Doge suddenly pumped, guys. Let's talk about that. We're also going to talk about who are the biggest holders of Shiba Inu. We're going to talk a whole bunch of stuff. This is an amazing video. This is a great time to be alive, and we're seeing for the first time in history, we're seeing that a huge dog wars are happening, guys. So it's really exciting, and I've just been sitting back laughing, and I've seen all this kind of stuff happen before where it happens, guys. This bull run is not over, guys. It's absolutely not over. Trust me, it's not over. And what's going to happen now is you're going to see a lot of positive stories start to come out now, because the whales and the billionaires that are in crypto now want to drive the retail investors into crypto as much as they can. They want to drive them in to jack up the prices, send the prices to the moon so that they can exit when we get this huge blow off top in December. Then they can exit so they can leave you holding the bag when you guys all aped in and FOMO'd at the top. So guys, you need to be careful, need to be absolutely careful. And remember, go down there, smash the likes right now, subscribe your YB in the house, and make a comment, guys. And yesterday when we had Dogecoin dead, now what? A lot of you didn't watch the video to the end, and a lot of you just went nuts, and the comments were really negative. So guys, grow up, stop being kinder egg people. And then in yesterday's video, I talked about also how my wife had aped into Shiba Inu, and she literally did. She has her own Binance account. She did that, and she's happier for it. So who can control their wives, right? I go shopping, I bring something home, I get in trouble. Wives go shopping, it's like, what are you asking me for? So you know what I'm talking about. So let's jump into the first story right now. We can see right now, if someone had bought $3,000 worth of Shiba Inu last August, it's now worth $1.5 billion. You would have taken that $3,000, $3,400, and you would have been a billionaire. And you guys don't know it, but Shiba Inu is probably the fastest growing and the biggest return of any investment in the history of mankind. Let's just sink that in for a second. Shiba Inu, if you had bought in August or before August, and the returns that you have now, it makes Shiba Inu one of the biggest and greatest financial investments in the history of mankind. That is a fact. A Shiba holder who spent $3,400 on a meme coin last August is now a crypto billionaire from that purchase alone with the asset gaining. I can't even read that. That's a huge amount of percentages, right? So this is what I'm saying, is that Shiba Inu is the greatest and biggest financial investment in terms of gains in the history of mankind. We have never seen anything like that. And I'm sure that the developers and the people who develop Shiba Inu are making billions, guys. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu, it's still going to the moon, guys. And also, don't discount the Doge, guys. The Doge is going to start heating up really soon, guys. And we're going to see $1 coming in very shortly. And I talked about that. I did say that, you know, Dogecoin, we formed this huge descending triangle, and this huge descending triangle went all the way from July, guys, all the way from July, all the way down here, and now we're starting to break out. And we're breaking out exactly as I told you would in previous videos. And I said that, you know, we would retest 27 cents, we would collapse back down, and then after that we'd have a huge impulse to the upside. And that's exactly what is happening, guys. We're having a huge impulse for the upside, and Dogecoin right now, as of time of recording, is over 30 cents. So it looks like we're going to hit the OG's prediction, and I said that we're going to close at 30 cents. And I did tell you that once we break out of this huge descending triangle, and let's take a look at that on the daily chart. You can see right here that we had this huge descending triangle, and we have broken out exactly as predicted, and we are going higher and higher and higher. And I think 40 cents is absolutely incoming in a very short period of time. And today we saw Doge print as high as 34 cents, and we went right above this huge resistance level on a huge impulse. Sure, a lot of that was retail FOMO, guys, I must say that. But now Doge has settled above 30 cents, and now we're seeing the pure Doge, the true Doge, and this is exactly what we wanted, guys. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house. So Shiba Inu today, it went as high as 88, and it's come down almost 19% from its all-time highs, and right now it's trading at 71. Now I did say that Shiba Inu would be going down to 65, and it went, actually, if you look at here, this is 64, and then we had a quick wick down, but you can see right here we actually went down to 64 cents. I called it, guys. I absolutely called it, and I told you that's what was going to happen, that we were going to have a correction that would go down, you know, 19-20%, and that is exactly what happened. But now, since we hit the bottom, guys, from the top to where we are now, we've gone down 19%, guys. But in terms of where we've gone from when we hit the bottom here to where we are now, we've actually gone up almost 20%. So still, right now, Shiba Inu is still at 30 cents. So what I think is going to happen? Well, this is what's going to happen, guys. Remember, there's still a lot of hype, a lot of FOMO. So we have now formed zone 5, and my zone 5 goes all the way up to here where we have resistance, and we have resistance around about 88 on the Shiba Inu. Let's call it 90, and we are probably going to be trading sideways in this area. Probably going to be going sideways in this area, probably for a next maybe 24 hours to 48 hours, and then we could see a huge break up to the upside. So anywhere from 48 to 72 hours, we could be going sideways, just while things cool off a little bit. And I still think there's a lot of gas in the tank for Shiba Inu, and also for Doge, there's still a lot of gas in the tank, guys. We are still going back up in this channel. Things are looking pretty good, guys, for Doge right now. So I'm pretty excited. You should be excited that we have absolutely broken out of the bottom of this channel here, and we are breaking up to the upside exactly as I said we would do it, and Dogecoin is doing it. So where do I expect? I think we could even continue and get back to today's all-time highs and probably get ourselves out of this. We need to break past this. This is our real big thorn in our side, this 32 to 33 cent level. We went past it today. We got rejected. Now we're above 30 cents. So guys and gals, it is absolutely, I've never seen, this is unprecedented, having two meme coins fighting it out right now. We can see that the market cap is at 2.63 trillion, and the volume is insane, 179.94 billion. Bitcoin is up over 61,000. Ethereum is up over $4,100. And you can see that the meme wars are here. You see, Right now, earlier this afternoon here in Asia, Doge had passed Shiba Inu. That was when Shiba Inu had gone back down to gone way down to like 63, 64. And now you can see that the market cap of Doge is 39.9 and the market cap is 42.766. So you can see that these two meme coins are fighting out. The two dogs are scrapping it out, scrapping. So who's going to come on top? It's anybody's guess who's going to come on top. And I think you're going to see that Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are going to flip flop, and this is going to continue, and this is going to be absolute amazing. It's going to be funny. It's going to be hilarious. Which meme coin is going to be on top? And now hopefully you guys who are into these meme coins have diversified, and you've not put all of your eggs in one basket. Hopefully you haven't put everything into SHIB. Hopefully you haven't put everything to Doge, and hopefully you have diversified into other cryptocurrencies. Because if you put everything in one basket, you can get annihilated. Remember, if you like this content, smash the likey. So let's jump into some more news right now. So if you want to take a look at the Shiba Inu, you can see right now, in terms of percentage holdings, we have this black hole, and this is 41% of Doge of Shiba Inu is being held by this account. We got Shiba Inu X Shiba token is holding 4%. This wallet is unknown. Crypto.com is holding 4% of Shiba Inu. Binance is holding 3.5%. We're also seeing Hobei. These are all exchanges, right? This is an exchange. This is an exchange. This is an exchange. Is holding 0.85%. We're seeing Gate.io is also holding. Binance USA is holding. Binance 14 is also holding. Bitmart is also holding a large amount. Binance 16 is holding a large amount. Hecko Chain Bridge is also holding it. Another from Gate.io. Poloniex exchanges, FTX exchanges, MXC, another exchange. So you can see that a large percentage of Shiba Inu is being held by exchanges. So we don't know what is the deal with Robinhood. So also too, let's take a look at this. These are some interesting things that have come out from Robinhood. So I came across this, and this looks like, if you look at this, zoom in, and this was from Robinhood support, and they're saying that apparently this person was asking Robinhood support. So what about Shiba Inu? And they basically replied by saying, moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, and Jonan Shiba. We'll be sure to let you know in more details when this becomes available. So it looks like Robinhood is confirming that they're going to list Shiba Inu, but exactly when, we don't know. So, and other breaking news for Robinhood is that they have increased their limit. So the position limit for cryptocurrencies before was $350,000, and now they have increased this limit to $5 million. So this means that there's going to be more liquidity and more capital moving into Robinhood. But remember, they still don't have the wallets. And remember, one of the reasons that I believe that Robinhood absolutely has to list Shiba is because 62% of all Dogecoin, 62% of all revenue from cryptocurrency trading came from Dogecoin. But Dogecoin has lost some of its luster with Robinhood, and so that's one other reason why we're seeing Robinhood stock market tank, and they're underperforming. So absolutely, is Robinhood going to list Shiba Inu? They would be insane if they didn't. They have to. They have no choice. So some other news that's coming in right now. Forget Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto traders are piling into Dogecoin. So if you look at Shiba Inu and you look at the volumes, if you look at the sheer volumes of Shiba Inu right now, you can see that the total volume is 58.19 billion. And if you look at the total volume of Bitcoin, it's only 30 billion. So if you look at Bitcoin and Ethereum combined, the total volume of Shiba Inu is more than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. It's amazing. And if you look, it's insane. It's absolutely insane, the volumes that Shiba Inu had. And apparently, last night, Asia time, or in the daytime in America, there's so much sheer volume that Shiba Inu basically broke the internet. Crypto.com was down. Coinbase was down because they were inundated with trades. It was insane, guys. So Shiba Inu basically broke the internet, guys. It's such a funny story. Some other stuff. Bitcoin selling past 61K as a 1.7K hourly candle fuels BTC bulls. So we're seeing that after all of the leveraged longs, got wrecked. Remember, I told you that there was a whole bunch. There's about $780 million worth of long leverage positions, and basically there was a flash crash yesterday that wrecked all of these. Around about this time yesterday, there's a whole bunch that got wrecked. Do you think this is coincidence? Do you think it's market manipulation? Absolutely, it's market manipulation. And now what's happening is you're seeing the Bitcoin price is going up, because I talked to you about that we have the CME futures that are going to expire on the 29th, and the balance of the leverage positions right now are puts. So there's a lot of leverage positions that are betting that Bitcoin is going to go down. So of course, guess what? Bitcoin is going up. So do you think this is manipulation? Do you think it's, people are monkeying around with the price of Bitcoin? Absolutely. Guys, 1 + 1 = 2, guys. Wake up, smell the coffee, stop being innocent Nancy's out there. Wake up, guys. Smash the likes if you like this content. Show some love for the OG. Woo, it's a great time to be alive. So some other news that's coming in right now. El Salvador buys smoking hot 420 more Bitcoin. So of course, because there was a big dip yesterday, so El Salvador bought on the dippy dip. So hopefully you guys bought some coins on the dip, because things are moving on up, guys. Things are absolutely moving on up. It's a great time to be alive. So support an SEC reportedly knocks back Valkyrie's leveraged BTC ETF. So what's going on with that? Reports emerging that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has rejected one or possibly two recent Bitcoin exchange traded fund applications, signaling that the regulator is not quite ready to have more exotic products just yet. So they basically don't want to have an ETF that is backed by Bitcoin. So it appears that just a day or so after Valkyrie filed for a leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF, SEC said no. So it looks like SEC is not having it with leveraged and likely inverse BTFs. So they don't want to have leveraged ETFs and inverse. So inverse is like a put and leveraged ETF. They don't want people leverage trading with Bitcoin. So I think it's pretty smart, because there's volatility. A lot of people are going to get wrecked and lose their shirt out there. So I think that's a good call by the SEC, guys. So some other news. Also, remember, coins like Shiba Inu surging could mean that the market is overheated, says Delphi Digital. And often we saw in the past that when we saw that when we saw the meme coins, I talked about it yesterday, when we see that the dog coins, when the dog coins start to shine and people start aping into meme coins and going crazy and seeing lots of them, that means that the markets are overheated. So yes, the markets are overheated, and we saw a big cool off yesterday. And I think a lot of that cool off was manipulated, because like I said, there was a lot of leveraged longs. 768 million leveraged longs got eliminated. How coincidental. And then on the 29th, which is tomorrow we have now about 1.4 billion of people having short positions on Bitcoin. And of course, coincidentally, Bitcoin has now gone up. So anything above 58,000 means that all these people with short positions on Bitcoin are going to get wrecked. So how coincidental is that? Guys, wake up and smell the coffee. Manipulation is happening. We have not seen so much manipulation in a bull run. I've not seen so much manipulation before. It's huge, guys. It's absolutely huge. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index in the house right now. Let me just refresh that. Minty, we're still at 66. Tomorrow this will probably be like at 60, 71 or 72, because we're seeing all the Bitcoin price go up and everything. Let's take a look at the market cap. So right now the market cap is coming back. It's 2.566. And we saw the market cap today went as low as 2.4 and high as 2.6. So we are coming back up again. And a lot of that market cap that left was, some of it had to do with Shiba Inu losing its price, guys. So wow, what a weird day. This is a weird and wacky day. I've never seen anything like this before, and this is the absolute the meme coin wars, the dog war. So Shiba Inu and the Dogecoin is battling out. So all the Dogecoin maxis that stayed in, and also too, some people are saying, one of the reasons that Dogecoin is going up because a lot of people sold their Shiba Inu and then they dollar cost averaged into Dogecoin. Yes, to some degree that's correct, but that's not the reason. That is not the real real reason why Dogecoin went up. And there's also rumors that there was a huge transaction on Dogecoin, and that there was a huge whale wallet bought a whole ton of crypto. And there's a rumor going around that there was Elon Musk who had bought a whole ton of Dogecoin because he doesn't want to see the project fail. I don't know. I haven't seen any proof of that. Not yet. I haven't seen anything of that. I mean, also we saw that the increase crypto limit on Robinhood to 5 million. That is also a good sign, not only for Shiba Inu when it gets listed, if it gets listed. It's also good for Dogecoin, because you can see that a lot of Dogecoin is held on Robinhood, and it means that people who have more money, they can actually increase their positions on Dogecoin. So that's pretty good, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house. So Bitcoin is at 61,140. So we're back up, guys. So that's looking pretty good. Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we went down. We had this huge head and shoulder pattern, which is normally bullish. We went down, and now we're in a reversal mode, and it looks like that we're at 61,460, and I think we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend, and I think we're going to see ourselves getting back up to 64,000. Smash the likes. Tell me what you think in the comments, guys. You think Bitcoin's going to get back up to 64,000? I'd love to hear your comments. Let's take a look at the Doge again. So right now Doge is at 29.74, so it's just under 30 cents. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house right now. So Shiba Inu is at 73.84, so it's come down just a touch. So we're going to see, this kind of thing moving. So let's see by tomorrow who's going to be the top dog. Is it going to be Shiba Inu tomorrow morning Asia time, or is it going to be Dogecoin? Tell me what you think in the comments, guys. I'd appreciate it. And we're seeing right now that Ethereum is coming back right now. Ethereum is at 4,172, and Ethereum, it's gone up about 6% today. So it's looking pretty good, and it looks like we're going to challenge this all-time highs again soon. We hit it once, twice, 3 times. Hopefully we can get back up there. I think this weekend's going to be huge pump it up weekends, guys. Let's take a look at WON in the house. So WON is doing pretty good. It's back up to 35 cents. And I did say when we broke down from all-time highs, I did suggest that you should consider putting in a buy order here and here. So if those orders got filled, you guys would be making some insane gains. So if you put a buy order here and you had filled now, you'd be up 19%, 20% in a matter of 48 hours, guys. So that's a fantastic time to be alive, guys. Woo! And ADA has not recovered, even though Bitcoin has come back and Ethereum's come back. ADA has still not really come back. It's gone back up to $2, so it's gone back into my zone 1 now, which is okay. But ADA is still pretty boring. It's not doing nothing. I don't want to talk about ADA. It's making me sad. Now Solana in the house, after that huge drawdown yesterday, and now we had some huge support at 180, and now we come back up again. We're back up around about 8% compared to the low where we were yesterday. So it's looking pretty good, guys. So overall, that's looking pretty good for Solana in the house, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. Solana is going to be coming back, and I think we're going to see $600 coming in for Solana soon. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. Remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. This is only for education, entertainment purposes. And we're seeing right now that our portfolio is back up again, and we're up 94.58%, guys, and we're in profit $4,776. And the total profit that we've made today is $535, and that's since we had this bit of a bounce right now. And we're in our total value of our portfolio is $9,775. So it's looking pretty good in the house. So all the haters and all the doubters, the ones that hate the OG and always being Debbie Downers and stuff, all I gotta say is the numbers don't lie. That's all I got to say about that, guys. So with that being said, guys, go back and follow me on Twitter. And right now we have 2,797 followers. Let's see if we can get this up to 3,000 followers, guys. And don't forget to go down here and watch this video. Doing only good every day. I appreciate it. And this is, all the Patreons, all the coffees that you give to support the channel, all goes to charity, guys. So one more time, smash the likes. Do it right now. Show some love with OG. Smash the likes in the house. Subscribe, baby, and leave a comment. It's a great time to be alive. And don't forget to check out all my linky winkies. I've got, link to become a Patreon member. Buy the channel on coffee. Also, you can find the link to the merch, and also check out the NFT collection. Guys, check out the merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got bags, and we got the infamous mug to mug, full of love, full of joy. Gear up with the OG gear. Gear up, guys. I'm gonna wanna get it. Get it while you can, guys. And don't forget to check out the wife's channel, Zen Music. Go over there and subscribe, you wifey. Leave a comment, and we'll give you a big shout out, guys. So, guys, it's a weird and wacky day. It's a fight between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Who's gonna win the meme war? Woo, guys! I love it. You love it. I'll see you in the next one. God bless each and everyone. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Be well, be blessed. Thanks for watching, and be well, guys. And make every minute count. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Woo!